Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am going to continue part 5th of the topic direct and indirect for both the classes 9th and 10th. Dear students, I am going to write here some examples in order to clear you how you can change direct and indirect in when reported speech begins with interrogative sentence, yes or no question. Yes, and the first is yes or no question. Yes or no question that I had already told you that it begins with is, am, or, was, were, do, did, has, have, had, shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might. Dear students, these are called yes or no questions. And reported speech begins with yes or no questions. Dear students, the first that I had already told you, said change it into ask whether it has object or not. The second point we use conjunction if, oblique, whether. Dear students, if, oblique, whether. Here, the option is here. It depends upon your choice. You have to use one of these conjunctions, dear students. You have to use if or whether. Yes, here I am going to write some examples in order to clear. The first example is the mother said to her daughter, can I help you? Can I help you? Dear students, when it begins with can, here or will, dear students, the mother said term is change asked response, chahe object istan ya mat isin, asked to her daughter. Dear students, the object is given here. As noun, it is object here. Daughter is noun. Dear students, reported speech begins with can. Dear students, when reported speech begins with can or will, here we change this can or will, not this verb. Dear students, we don't change this, we change this. If, dear students, and here you see can I help you. When there is a use of I, it can be changed according to subject, dear students. I can be changed according to subject. So the mother asked to her daughter, if mother, instead of mother we use here, dear students, as subject, if she, then you have changed can, not help. Can change into could. She could help. Daughter, instead of daughter we use here, dear students, her. And you have to use, you have to remove all the commas along with this symbol note of interrogation. The second example. He said to me, have you taken tea? Dear student, the conversation is between he and me, dear students. It is the third person singular. That is conversation between the third person singular and between me means you, it refers. İşte panaskun in me means a panaskun. Dear students, have you taken tea? You have to change, dear students, said change into asked. He asked me. If the you is going to use you are it change according to object. The object is here me change it to I. And as I have already told you, when there is a use of present perfect, has or have, it change into past perfect. Has and have changed into had. If I had taken tea, dear students, here we can use full stop. You are doing all the commas along with this note of interrogation. The third example, dear students, I said to her, do you my address. Dear students, do you know my address? The conversation is between I and her. So you can change. I said change to ask her. I asked her if you refers to her. Here her can be changed into she. If she, dear students, use a small letter. Yes. If she, here do does not change. You can change the verb know here. If she knew my address, dear students, my address. Here you can use full stop. Dear students, there is one more rule that I am going to take, dear students, today. In interrogative sentence, there is second rule. If the question begins with WH questions in reported speech. WH question means what, when, where, who, whom, which, dear students, why, and how. When the question begins with WH questions, dear students, first set change into asked. The second thing that you must remember, dear students, we don't use any conjunction. We don't use any conjunction. Dear students, question का conjunction I use करा यहाँ. When the question begins with WH in reported speech, in interrogative sentence, we don't use any conjunction. Dear students, I am going to write here example. The policeman said, comma inverted commas begin, what is your name? What is your name? Dear students, here is the conversation between the policeman and with whom he is conversing. It is not given here, the object is not given here, but he is conversing with the object, dear students. When there is, the object is not given in interrogative sentence, and definitely when you are going to change direct and indirect, dear students, panjas panas kunni. Praktisch nimi panjas panas kunni. Then object as ki interrogative sma. Dear students, the policeman said karo was change asked response. Chahe object western ye gumut use ya mat western object asked. Interrogative sma said karan to change. Chahe object western that it has object or not. Dear students, just I have told you, when it begins with WH, we don't use any conjunction. Yeah, in words such as start has gumut, as ye word karan use, magar W karan sama. What? Tim purchase as subject karan use. Which is an WH purchase karan use. That is subject. Tim pach karan change. Yes, students. पहले हमें subject क्या लिखना है? Subject का साथ आपने use, dear students, that I have already told you. According to your name, it is according to objective. The object is not visible here. Still, you have to. What is your name? So she has come. Dear student, use what my name. Simple verb can change that is the same. Is changed into was. Then you have to use full stop. You have to remove that all the commas and also this symbol, note of interrogation. The policeman asked what my name was. And another here, instead of asked, we can also use the policeman inquired of me. Then we use the policeman inquired of me what my name was. What my name was. We can use inquired of instead of asked in this rule, dear students. One more example that I am giving. He said to me, where do you live? Where do you live? Dear students, this thing I had already told you, when there is a use of you or your in this and the object is changed according to the object. When the object is not given, then such means, dear students, a cornerstone. When the object is given, it depends upon the object. When it is given, अगर ये आपने me was going to use the exchange why the part I dear students, he said, sorry, he asked me, W is called small, where nim particular subject use अगर me as going to use तरीके से I, अगर MJ ऐसे him going to use MJ तरीके से आपने see he, अगर ये her ऐसे going to use dear students तरीके से आपने see she, अगर MJ us ऐसे going to use तरीके से we, अगर MJ them as going to use dear students तरीके से आपने they, अगर plural noun they as going to use. Dear students, sometimes the teacher said the students. Instead of students, we use also the. अगर हम a singular noun as going to use, then such is करें he or she, depends upon the object. We can use he or she. Dear students, the object is here. Me. If me is one, where do you live? Go is asking panas. Me means I. Where I use it as capital. I use it always as capital. Where I. Then you have to change this. If we have to do or does it as small, the sign is remove kara. Dear students, do the dash is remove kara. Is kara asli verb change. Which first form live can be changed to second form where I live. Dear students, I am giving some more examples here. Third one, the teacher said to the student, where were you? Where were you yesterday? The rule is same, dear students. After where, there is a where that is past simple. It is in past simple. Past simple that I had already told you, past simple change into past perfect, dear students. Which is past perfect is must change. Which past simple is must where we use. The current is changed into past perfect is must current had. Which is current, dear students, name is third form used. The second form, which is used in reported speech, we have to use third form with had. The third form of it is been. In this third form, where is third form, dear students, been. Was is the where is. Agar was the where is going to use. Therefore, dear students. So she changed current had with third form been. Which yesterday switch we will change, dear students. So you can change it. The teacher asked the student. Dear students, each person is third person singular. When third person singular is used as object, we can change. Dear students, why the purchase here can change as subject. Students in Bangladesh like happens where he. Dear students, where he. Then you have to use had. The third form of where is been. Where he had been. Yesterday can be changed to the previous day. The previous day. You must remember, dear students, when reported speech begins with WH, we don't use any conjunction. And the tense that is same, we can say that you can use, dear students, and that we have also used, dear students, in interrogative sentence, the same rule. And the same rule that you have to use here, dear students, in both the kinds of interrogative sentences. And the second point that you must remember here, In interrogative one, in first rule, we don't use any conjunction, and there is in this rule, when it begins with WH, we don't use any conjunction. Dear students, thank you.